Launch Red Dead Redemption 2. Go to Settings. Go to Graphics. Scroll down. Scroll down until you find Advanced Graphics. Go to Advanced Settings and press the left arrow key. Now scroll down to Graphics API and press the right arrow key to change to Vulkan. Press Enter and press Enter again. The bad side is that changing the Graphics API will reset many of your graphics settings. The good side is that this will greatly reduce the stuttering. Make sure to change the other graphics settings to what you want. However, make sure to maintain the Graphics API using Vulkan to reduce the stuttering. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.